All right, paratroopers, welcome to another block of instruction. Today we're going to be going over the Alice Large and how to get it jump ready and ready for your unit SOPs. The first thing you'll notice is this ruck is set up in a particular fashion for our unit. That includes your name tape sewn above the main flap, and also a luminescent glow tape sewed on with our unit marker, which is an upside down triangle. This is so you can easily locate your unit's rucksacks in the dark, and also helps you keep track of the guy in front of you on nighttime ruck marches. Our next SOP, which was learned from Grenada, is tie-downs for certain elements of the rucksack. On this ruck, you'll notice we have your 2-quart canteen and your entrenching tool. One of the SOPs for this unit is to take your 2-quart canteen. Each canteen should come with a GP strap. You are to take that strap and run it underneath these loops, underneath each loop of the outer sustainment pouches, all the way around. Run it through here, underneath the shovel, and then around the back. This is to help keep your outer accessories in place and keep things from falling out of your sustainment pouches while on a jump. On the 2-quart canteen itself, you will want to further secure that with 550 cord. What you'll do is form a slip knot. The slip knot runs, you have the 550 cord, it goes underneath to the drain plug on your 2-quart canteen. That is then tied directly to the rucksack. You then take your 2-quart, put the slip knot around it, secure it. I usually tie my extra, just loop it around, place it back inside the pouch, if I put it on there correctly. And now that is triply secured onto your rucksack. On the opposite side, for the entrenching tool, you'll want to do the same thing. As you can see here, I have that GP strap holding the pouch in place. I've also formed another slip knot that I use around the shovel. This is in case somehow during the jump it gets away from you, it is held in place. The 550 cord is attached through the pouch and tied just like the 2-quart directly to the bag itself. To stow, simply put back into its pouch and secure. All right. Next up, we're going to go into the SOP for the sustainment pouches. Inside this left pouch here, you should always store 1 MRE. Followed by the middle pouch here holds your raincoat. They're very hard to get in and out, but that just goes to show it's the raincoat in here. And then followed by your poncho. The poncho goes on the right-hand side. And that's as you're looking at the rucksack. And those are the main SOPs. Little tricks that I will also show you is upon securing your rucksack and tightening down all the straps, make sure to take these straps and stow them behind the sustainment pouches. Store all excess webbing behind there. And that goes same on the opposite side. You'll see there's a little pocket back here where you'll stow all extra gear, all extra webbing. Any straps, any extra webbing on the sustainment pouches should be secured with masking tape in case they need to be ripped off during the jump so that nothing gets stuck. And that goes for the rest of the pack, except for areas like here, it is not necessary. Make sure that all extra tape is stowed, wrapped up and stowed, and also for the kidney pad, it's recommended for infantry units to tape that. You can see it here. Tape the kidney pad to the back using 100-mile-per-hour tape. You'll never need it, you'll never use it. And that is how to set up your rucksack to SOP. And remember guys, it's 8,600 miles to Red Square, Moscow. If you're not ready, see your NCO.